Hello and welcome to another program with me, Sohail and Ali.
Thank you. Hey everybody, you're most welcome here. I highly appreciate your attention in advance. Please stay with us. We have a lot to say in this episode.
Exactly. So, in this program, we will be talking about some collocations related to the verb
Have.
definitely. So, I can't wait for this great episode. So, let's dive in. The first part of these collocations with the verb have is have an accident.
Example, Mr. Robinson had an accident yesterday, but thank God he's okay now. Don't worry.
No, very good. The second one, have an argument.
Yes, a group of my friends yesterday had an argument about what to do and where to go for their next vacation.
Oh. The third one, have a conversation or chat.
Guys, I promise you, if you follow this channel, at the end you'll see that you will be able to have a fluent conversation in English when it comes to talking to either native people or tourists.
Well done. The fourth one, have difficulty.
Do you have any difficulties in learning English? Please let us know about it.
Great, very good. And have a break.
So Sohail, before we go to the next part of this collocation, is it okay if we have a break?
Yeah, why not? For sure, let's go.
So, bye for now, guys. We'll be
Come
back
back
here. Yes. We're back again, guys. Thanks a million. So let's directly dive into the second part of learning English, but this time about collocation with
Have.
That's it. So Sohail, the first one, have an experience.
Unfortunately, Ali, yesterday I had a terrible or somehow frightening experience.
Are you okay now?
Yes, thank God. I'll let you know after the program.
That's it. So next one is have a feeling.
I have a feeling that there is something wrong here.
What's wrong with here?
Again, I'll tell you after the program.
Like, you're always
Yeah.
dubious about everything.
Exactly.
So next one, guys, is have a dream.
I had a dream last night about you, Ali.
Really?
Yes.
What I was doing in your dream.
I tell you after the program again.
That's it. Okay. Everything goes after program. Next one, guys, is have a try.
Let's have a try and take a look at this car.
And the last one is have fun.
I hope you've had fun or you've had a great time so far.
That's it. So, guys, thanks a million. But don't forget
To like and share this video.
and click on the bell icon to be noticed for the further videos.
Exactly.
That's
so, thank you so much
Thank you
for
so
being
much,
here
guys.
and watching us. Hope to see you again
next
soon.
session. Bye-bye.
Bye.